सर मैं आता हूं लेकिन उससे पहले एक सवाल मेरा है कंगना जी के लिए। ये थोड़ा सा हटके हो सकता है यहाँ से, ये आपकी पर्सनल लाइफ से जुड़ा हुआ है थोड़ा। इमरजेंसी यहाँ पे बात कर रहे हैं, किस तरह से लोगों को बोलने से रोका गया, वो अभिव्यक्ति की आजादी, अभिव्यक्ति की स्वतंत्रता की अगर बात करें, उसको कहीं ना कहीं होल्ड कर लिया गया था, बोलने नहीं दिया जा रहा था। आपको कभी ऐसा लगा आपकी फिल्मी जर्नी के दौरान कि आपके ऊपर इमरजेंसी लगाई गई?
अभी अभी लगाई गई है। मुझे अभी अभी मेरे पीआर टीम ने कहा हुआ है कि वी विल नॉट ओपन इट टू मीडिया। आपको बोलने की आजादी नहीं है, सोचिए। सो आई अनुपम जी सेड नो नो ओपन इट टू मीडिया। ये हमारे दोस्त ही हैं, हमारे मित्र ही हैं, यहाँ इमरजेंसी लगाने की जरूरत नहीं है। तो आई थिंक विल ओपन इट टू।
एंड कंगना जी भी, कंगना जी उन्होंने सबको बता दी ये बात। जोरदार तालियां फॉर दिस टीम। अनुपम सर, एक सवाल इससे पहले कि हम मीडिया आपके अपने फ्रेंड्स के पास जाएं, आपने कुछ दिन पहले एक बात कही थी कि इस फिल्म के लिए, जहां तक अवार्ड्स की बात की जाए, बेस्ट एक्टर का अवार्ड हो, बेस्ट डायरेक्टर का अवार्ड हो, सब कुछ इस बार यही जाने वाला है। इनको, जिनको ऑलरेडी 4 नेशनल अवार्ड से सम्मानित किया जा चुका है, क्या बोलना चाहेंगे सर?
इनको बिल्कुल बुरा नहीं लगेगा अगर एक अवार्ड मिल जाए। आई थिंक उससे पहले आई वुड लाइक टू आल्सो से दैट कंगना जी ने शुरुआत में कही थी कि बहुत सारे लोग इनके साथ काम शायद नहीं करना चाहेंगे। आई डोंट थिंक दैट्स ट्रू। सच्चाई वो दिया है जिसको अगर पहाड़ की चोटी पे रख दिया जाए तो बेशक रोशनी कम करता है लेकिन दिखाई बहुत दूर से देता है। हाउ कैन एनीबडी इग्नोर व्हाट यू हैव? So after this film, everybody will quietly send you messages कि मुझे भी काम करना है आपके साथ 100%. But मैंने आपसे इसलिए कहा कि सवाल सबसे पूछने देने चाहिए because you have been a person who have answered questions and we will try and, since I suggested it, we will try and sort of restrict the questions only to emergency the film. Then I think that will, because वरना क्या इन्होंने इतने पैसे खर्च किए हैं, जी वालों ने, बाकी लोगों ने, और फिर बात वो निकलेगी बाहर जो आप
नहीं, it's only that people जो कि people who are waiting to override this product with negativity, they will invest in the PRs to malign the film and to unnecessarily take away from the film. That's our only concern. Otherwise I don't think that there is any other. हमारी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री के लोग बहुत नेगेटिव और वायरल हो सकते हैं टू सबोटाज फिल्म्स, वो तो हमने देखा ही है, एंड टू रुइन करियर्स। तो इसीलिए हम उन्हीं से थोड़ा सा झिझक रहे हैं, नहीं तो वैसे तो मैं पार्लियामेंट में बोलती हूँ, ऐसी तो कोई बात नहीं है।
ऑलराइट, सो कहाँ से आ रहा है पहला सवाल? जी सर, बैठ के आप पूछ सकते हैं। So I'll come to you. मैं एक बार प्रेस से सवाल ले लूं, फिर मैं आता हूँ आपके पास। जी, पहला।
Hello, hi, Prachi here. Congratulations to the entire team. Congratulations, Kangana ma'am, Anupam sir, Mahima ma'am, Shreyas sir. The trailer looks absolutely amazing and very thrilling. And we've seen many biopics, but films based on real life events. And I wasn't born when the emergency happened. But this kind of serious subject, you're saying it's going to be entertaining also. I see only seriousness in the subject. I don't think so. It will be entertaining. It will be only informative and a lesson for the youth that this could be the state if there is a leader who doesn't take the right decision at the right time. So what do you have to say about that? Because I feel it is not just entertainment. It's a lot of information involved and very good history involved.
So it depends. If you are looking for a kind of a Bollywood film experience, that you'll have a lot of it. But if you're a person who has liked films like, if you like films like Iron Lady or The Darkest Hour or Andhi or Rajniti, if you have a taste for a little bit more intelligent cinema, if you are a person who's more invested and engaged in the nation, if you are somebody who has other dimension to your personality other than just getting ready and eating and all that, so if you have little more to you as a person, it'll engage you, because we have a human has so many dimensions to them. We have a physical dimension, emotional dimension, mental dimension. We have so many dimensions. Like but also art is subjective. What you like as art may not appeal to me. I can only make what appeals to me. I can't make what doesn't appeal to me. You know what I mean? The same goes for other filmmakers, whoever is making. But the good thing is, for an audience, you should get like a spectrum of films to see. Like a spectrum of uh, information or film and backdrop. That's why today, when I wrote in a post that welcome to the world of my perception. As an artist, we can only open the world and the doors of our perception to you. I can't second guess your perception and try to please you. So, as a filmmaker, this is my world. Of course, there's a fear of being rejected, there's a fear of being rejected, and even if it does very well, there will still be people who it won't appeal to. And the same goes for the biggest successful films. They could be the biggest blockbuster, but there will be so many people it will not appeal to. Because art is subjective. So when we sit in a theater, you can't please everybody. But is it entertaining? Yes. Is it engaging? Yes. How much it engages and entertains, that is about the personality to a person.
हेलो नमस्कार, यहाँ से कंगना, नमस्कार, रेखा काम बोल रही हूँ नवभारत टाइम से। जी
रेखा जी, बहुत दिनों बाद दिखे आप।
हाँ, आप बहुत हसीन लग रही हैं।
आप भी बहुत सुंदर लग रही है
जी, श्रेयस जी, अनुपम जी, महिमा जी, आप सबको मेरा नमस्कार।
हमारे बारे में भी बोलिए कुछ, हम कैसे लग रहे हैं।
अनुपम जी, आप तो हमारी इंडस्ट्री के सदाबहार एक्टर हैं। अब आपकी तारीफ में
और ये जवान ही होते जा रहे हैं। जब भी इनको देखें ये और सुंदर होते जा रहे हैं।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल। तो सबसे पहले मैं आप लोगों को बहुत बहुत बधाई देना चाहूँगी। ट्रेलर बहुत ही अच्छा है और बहुत एंगेजिंग है और फिल्म का बहुत इंतजार है, तो बहुत सारी मेरी बधाई आप लोग स्वीकार करें और शुभकामनाएं। कंगना जी, मेरा सवाल आपसे है, जैसे कि अभी आपने कहा कि एक पूरे करियर में एक बहुत अलग तरह की एक इमरजेंसी, एक आप पे एक प्रतिबंध, एक रोकना, ये सारी चीज़ें आपके साथ हुई और बहुत सारा फिल्म के दौरान में। तो मैं ये जानना चाहती हूँ कि इस पूरी जर्नी में, इस पूरी यात्रा में आपके लिए सबसे ज़्यादा प्रेरणा क्या थी, जो कि मतलब नहीं, हार नहीं माननी है, वो जो जज्बा है वो आप में कहाँ से आता है, कैसे आप उसको मतलब कैसे लड़ती रहती है हमेशा?
आई थिंक सबसे ज़्यादा तो इंस्पिरेशन यही होती है कि जब आपने कोई कमिटमेंट कर दिया है, यू हैव कमिटेड योरसेल्फ टू इट, तो आपको यू हैव टू सी थ्रू। इट्स अ बेबी दैट यू कांट अबैंडन मिडवे। वही सबसे बड़ा कमिटमेंट और वही सबसे बड़ा आपको जो है एक इंस्पिरेशन रोज़ मिलता है कि भाई मैंने इसको कमिट किया है, आई एंड सो मेनी पीपल आर कनेक्टेड टू यू, जो कि आप व्हेन यू आर द लीडर ऑफ द टीम, व्हेन यू आर द कैप्टन ऑफ द टीम, वो सब आपको इतना मतलब सपोर्ट करते हैं ना, कई बार उनके लिए, कई बार अपने लिए, कई बार लोगों ने जो इन्वेस्ट किया होता है उसके लिए, कई बार जो आपकी कहानी होती है वो आपको बुला रही होती है एंड इट्स वेरी कंपेलिंग। वो कहानी आपको जीने नहीं देती, उठने बैठने नहीं देती, तो कई बार वो ये सब मिलके ना एक बड़ा अच्छा एक इंस्पिरेशन, एक मोटिव का वो बन जाता है। For my actors also, please question the producers.
Hi everyone, I'm this side, to your lecture. Hesha this side from India today. First of all, congratulations everybody. It's an absolutely stunning trailer, very intriguing and happy to see all of you. Kangana, happy to see you, Anupam, so happy to see you, and everybody else as well. I have two questions, and first I would like to direct it to you, Kangana. Since you've also been a director on the film, you've produced it, you're an actor, at that given point in time, what was your temperament like on the set? That's my first question to you. And between action and cut, what were you aspiring to do? Because you were actually depicting somebody else's character who's been a part of, our reality, and you sort of had to put that in real life. Talk to me about that, please.
See, when you have to, I can give you a trick. When you have to be a highly demanding job, it's highly demanding on your temperament, physically, emotionally, mentally. It is too much for anybody to expect you to be at your sort of the best in terms of communication, in terms of your temperament. It's very unrealistic because there are so many more than good news, bad news keep coming into your ear. You know, now this is not happening. You're not getting these dates. That equipment is stuck, or the rain is the set is flooded. This is dripping. Like every time you're like, so you can have like a small group of punching bags which are like sitting at Aditya, like you know, like my direction team. You can make a like small group of punching bag, so you can go like sort of, you know, remove your frustration, punch 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 punch, and then you turn to Shesa. Gee sir, what was your question? And then the same goes for, you know, so sir, would you try another take? And then you turn and you again can, you know. So obviously there are people who are there to help you. Of course, my direction department, and they were also, you also need a family member, you know, there, because the finances and the things of, you know, when you can trust somebody with all of that. And then regular visits from my sister. You also need to gossip. Now, how do you do that? So you have a mix of everything going, and you just kind of make yourself get through it. You know, you can't expect to just plan it, because it's a location is going to be different every time, the scene is going to be different, season is different, actor is different. How are you going to plan a job where nothing is fixed, hours are different, and a new if yesterday you had like a wig didn't working, today you'll have the, maybe the crane is not stable, and it's not stable, everybody's doing everything but it's just not stable. So every day there's a new challenge. You need to have your people around you who you can trust, who are okay with you and who love you. Like Anupam ji, he's, every time he will come and he'll just make me laugh, laugh, laugh. There are just so many jokes. So of course people support you, Shreya sir. You know, so it's very important to work with people who make you at home. You know, who love you and who respect you.
Hi Kanna, Samina here from Zoom channel. My question is to you, this side, over here. Center, center.
Hi.
Hi. My question to you is that while you are working in emergency, you have also balancing a career in political world. When you speak, you know, so many times on social media, also you have raised concerns of women having, you know, quite difficulties while having a stronghold in the political world. How are you managing that? And apart from this, after the world of acting, are you going to continue the world of acting? Will you still be an actor, or will you focus on your world of, you know, political journey completely?
Um, See, for us, we're in very good times that we also have very supportive people, especially with the women reservation bill, 33% of reservation. So right now the situation in, especially next election, is going to be that we won't have enough women. You know, please understand, 33% will be a huge number in the Raj Sabha, Lok Sabha, for all sort of elections, local elections, panchayat election, all of that. I think in panchayats already 50%. So we won't have enough women. So I like women to be inspired to be in this field, and for whether I would continue to act. I think this is a question where I would like people to decide that. Like for example, I never said I want to be a leader. People should say you should be a leader. You know, whether a party does surveys or whether a party, how, whatever the criteria to give you a ticket, you know, it was people's choice that I should fight the election. Now tomorrow, if emergency works and if they want to see more of me, if I, you know, if I am, I feel that I can have success, I will continue as films. Otherwise, if I feel that I have more success in politics and I'm needed there more, wherever, see, the thing is essentially we go where we feel needed, you know, we feel respected and valued. So I will let life decide for me. I have no such plans that I have to go here or there. No, I'm fine anywhere I'm needed to do whatever is needed. More questions for other cast, please. Otherwise,
No, we are happy you answering
No,
all
no,
the
no.
questions.
Yeah,
Otherwise,
absolutely.
we'll close
We are
the.
supporting cast. The name of the film is
Hello. Yeah. Hi. This is Amar representing Mamadazi. Congratulations for the wonderful trailer. It looks one of a kind, and every Indian should see. My question is, there are two questions. My first question is to share, sir. You're playing a character who resonates with India's greatness, Atal Bihari ji. जैसे बताया आपने काफी बुक्स पढ़ी, but did you, for your personal research, did you cross your path or engage with people who have met Atal ji in their personal life?
No, uh, I didn't do that. Like I said, of course I did my own bit of research about him, and and it's not a biography on Atalji. It is a period that we're showing about emergency and about Indira ji. So I trusted my director more on that, because what the vision that she has, उनको क्या दिखाना है, उनको अटल जी का कौन सा पोर्शन दिखाना है, कौन से एज ग्रुप के अटल जी है, उस वक्त वो कैसे थे, कितने डायनामिक थे, क्या क्या करते थे, वो उनके दिमाग में जो विजन है, that was more important for me than me going with something that I have already learned कि नहीं अटल जी तो ऐसे ही थे, because 75 में एक्चुअली 3 इम्पोर्टेंट घटनाएं हुई, एक तो इमरजेंसी, एक शोले और तीसरा श्रेयस तलपरे का जन्म। सो शोले हम जानते हैं, श्रेयस तलपरे को कुछ लोग जानते हैं, लेकिन इमरजेंसी के बारे में ज़्यादा लोग नहीं जानते, वो ज़्यादा लोगों तक पहुंचना ज़रूरी है। और उस दौरान क्या सिचुएशन थी, उस दौरान जो लीडर्स थे उनका क्या रवैया था, वो I guess I trusted my director more in that respect, and I just went with her conviction and her vision than anything else. So I didn't really meet anyone. I did my part, I studied it, and then I went with her conviction. That's it.
Great answer. My second question is for Kangna. Kangna, आपने पहले भी एक मूवी में एक पॉलिटिकल लीडर प्ले किया था लाइफ में, और अभी आप इमरजेंसी में एक और पॉलिटिकल लीडर प्ले कर रहे हैं. दोनों की ऑब्वियसली इंडिविजुअल जर्नीज बहुत डिफरेंट हैं, बट एज एन एक्टर दोनों को प्ले करने में, और स्पेशली फॉर दिस रोल व्हिच इज सो आइकॉनिक, हाउ डिफरेंट वाज इट टू प्ले इंदिरा गांधी, लाइक व्हाट यू आर प्लेइंग?
For me, the highlight of Emergency to direct it, honestly. I was just done acting, I was like, I was not interested in acting anymore, because I had done just way too many films, and at least I felt that way, that I have to do something else. So the highlight of it for me is to direct, and like Shirji said that for me I did not have any special love for Indira ji's character. I had the same amount of love for JP ji's character, or Atal ji, or Pupul, or Milind Soman ji's character. So I love that. I love the part of me who loves to make movies and telling a story. So I fail to see her in a special light, to be honest. That when you ask me about her, especially when we do a film, like now we talk about Thalaivi, like only Thalaivi stands out for me. And I don't know any other journey, even though Raj Arjun, so there were so many great characters, but वही मेरे लिए उठ के आते हैं, क्योंकि मैंने हमेशा उसी पे फोकस किया ना. I was just an actor. But when you talk about Emergency film stands out for me, and I forget what was my process for the actress and all of that. Whole film stands out for me, and I love the whole film. I love every character, and I love every frame of the film. So I don't know how to answer this question.